back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up a digital bullet journal in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up a digital bullet journal in Notion, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Notion. So once you open your Notion, you need to simply create a new page. So once you create a new page, you need to choose whether to start from a template or build from scratch. Then you can use the database to manage the entries as well. You can simply create a new page and you can simply start a fresh start. You can choose a template that you want to do journaling in. You can simply choose like simple journal template, and like for basic setup you need to create a calendar database with properties like date and select properties for the day of the week. So once you have done this, for my more advanced system, you can create linked database for yearly, monthly, and weekly views, incorporating templates for daily entries and features like habit tracker and tagged lists. So once you do the task listing as well, you will be able to set up a digital bullet journal in your Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.